The strength of GNITS CSE lies in its visionary leadership and accomplished faculty. The department is headed by Dr. A. Sharada, a distinguished academician with over 26 years of academic and industry experience. Dr. M. Sikha, Dean of Research and Development, has published over 170 research papers, guided research scholars, and secured major funded projects. Dr. N. Kalyani, Dean of Innovation and Incubation, is an accomplished educator, researcher, and author fostering innovation and entrepreneurship. With 49 dedicated faculty members, including 16 doctorates, GNITS CSE fosters a vibrant ecosystem of academic excellence, research, and innovation. Our faculty members actively contribute to global academic communities through international conferences, collaborative research, and academic visits, including prestigious engagements in Malaysia. The department continues to achieve remarkable milestones through research publications, funded projects, patents, certifications, and academic recognitions at national and international levels. At GNITS CSE, advanced research centers and modern laboratories create an environment of innovation and practical learning. Through hands-on technical experience in programming, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, networking, and emerging technologies, students develop industry-ready skills and research capabilities. The CSE department strongly encourages research and development projects that transform innovative ideas into practical solutions. Students and faculty actively work on real-world applications in areas such as artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, data science, cloud computing, and emerging technologies. The department promotes interdisciplinary learning through funded projects, technical presentations, research collaborations, and innovation-driven initiatives. These projects strengthen technical expertise and prepare students to solve real-world challenges with creativity and confidence. The CSE department regularly organizes workshops, seminars, guest lectures, and technical activities to enhance student learning beyond academics. These sessions provide students with practical knowledge, exposure to emerging technologies, and interaction with industry experts and researchers. Through active participation in technical events and collaborative activities, students develop innovation, communication, teamwork, and problem-solving skills. The department continuously encourages students to explore new ideas, strengthen technical expertise, and stay updated with industry trends. The CSE department continues to achieve remarkable placement success, with students securing opportunities in top multinational companies and leading technology organizations. Students have earned impressive salary packages, including offers above 30 LPA, 20 LPA, and 15 LPA, reflecting the department's strong academic foundation and industry-focused training. Through continuous skill development, internships, technical training, and placement support, students are empowered to build successful professional careers. The outstanding placement achievements showcase the department's commitment to excellence, innovation, and future-ready education.
Highly encourage anyone considering a career in CS to choose this institution. The knowledge and skills that you gain here will undoubtedly pave the way for a successful and a fulfilling career.
Been very fortunate to have received the right guidance and support from a very early stage, that is from our second year, second semester, through the ADIST courses, through the soft skills training that we have received, which is a major reason why I was able to crack my dream company and be a part of it as an
Hello everyone, this is Grishmi, a 2026 graduate from the Computer Science and Engineering department. Today I'm here to express my heartfelt gratitude towards the department, the placement cell, as well as all the people that have supported me throughout this journey. Firstly, I would like to thank the department. Department shows you constant support throughout all the years. They'll help you build the confidence that requires you to push all your limits to reach your goals. And also I would like to personally thank the faculty. Faculty played a major role for me to take my decisions throughout these years. They helped me with my projects, my academics, as well as the kind of jobs I have to take up, etc. They have been there throughout my lows and highs, and they will play the same for you as well. From the bottom of my heart, I would like to thank the placement cell. The placement cell has never given up on us until the last moment. They have provided us with the jobs all the way. And they have also provided us with the mock interviews, certain courses that have helped us to have a proper base for all the interviews that we have attended later. The courses that we had, being Zero, Smart Interviews and Code Tantra in the third year, have helped us with our technical skills, our aptitude as well as our communication skills. All these were the major skills that we required for an interview to be cracked. At last, I would like to thank the college for giving me the moments I would cherish my entire life for. I'll make sure I'll give back to the college and will be there for the college whenever required. Thank you.